Hey everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in to your FMCSA account through fmcsa.dot.gov and access the online services you need. The process is simple, so let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter portal.fmcsa.dot.gov/login into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. On the page that opens, click where it says Sign in with Login.gov. Enter your Login.gov credentials here and click the Submit button. And that's it. Logging into your FMCSA account through fmcsa.dot.gov is quick and straightforward. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Login Page for more step-by-step login guides. Thanks for watching.